Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best payments processor for small businesses in US by comparing Stripe and Square. If you're looking for the best payments processor as a small businesses in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Stripe was built specifically for online payments, with highly customizable checkout options, powerful subscription tools, and an international infrastructure that removes the typical barriers to selling across borders. For SaaS companies, cloud infrastructure tools, or any business where consumption varies month to month, Stripe also offers usage-based billing via their New Meters API. Stripe lets you sell practically anywhere and offers support for 135 plus currencies and regional payment methods. This matters tremendously for conversion rates. Germans prefer direct bank transfers, Dutch shoppers use Ideal, and Chinese customers favor Alipay. Stripe automatically detects location and presents the most relevant payment options. Square's international capabilities feel limited by comparison. It works in only a handful of markets: US, Canada, Australia, Japan, UK, Ireland, France, and Spain, and lacks the variety of payment methods needed to effectively sell globally. All transactions are processed in your home currency, with no automatic conversion. This means your customers need to calculate exchange rates themselves at checkout, which is a known conversion killer. Square Messages centralizes all your customer messages, and even uses AI to handle some of them on your behalf via Square Assistant. You can also use Square to create automated email campaigns, design a website, and set up loyalty programs. If you absolutely love Square and want to use it for your entire business stack, there's nothing stopping you. Need an extra $15,000 for this month's payroll? Square Banking provides financing based on your Square sales history rather than a personal credit check. Stripe, for all its power, assumes a level of technical comfort that many small business owners simply don't have. While creating an account is easy enough and Stripe's reporting is pretty to look at, actually implementing Stripe typically involves diving into code snippets and API documentation. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.